Hello guys, welcome to Be Learning Club. So I will discuss some AI photos in this video, how to create the AI photos like a watercolor, like a pixel art, like a digital art, and you can create this type of photos. This is the digital art and this is the watercolor, and this is very simple way. Nowadays guys, AI is much more powerful and you have to use the AI to save your wonderful time. So in this video I will discuss a powerful AI. This is the Copilot by Microsoft Bing. So you can see in the Windows 11 there is a pre-version of a Copilot here, but I will show you how to use this, and this is a powerful AI. You can use this. So this is a Microsoft Bing, and just go to the Copilot and you can see this is the Copilot and this is the designer, vacation planner, cooking assistant, fitness trainer. Now go to the designer and here just ask me anything and just type here anything like create a water color image of love. Okay, so now, sorry, the water spelling is mistake. Now let me try again. So stop responding. So now create a water color portrait, portrait, portrait of love. So AI will create a portrait color photo for you and the theme is love. You can see even water spelling is mistake. So AI is much more powerful in these days. So you can see the watercolor of water. So I have created a water. This response from the AI server, and you can see and you can download anything, any picture. So just click on this picture and now wait for some times and it will open, and you can easily download this picture and also edit this picture. So just click on this and you can click on edit in designer. Now click on download to download this picture and click on edit in designer to design the picture again. So now click on download and you can see the download tab is here, and just open this and this is your downloadable photo. And in this way you can create any AI photos, and this is much more helpful. And use the AI guys and to save your own time. These photos are amazing. So create like these photos. So this is the theme of art, and now this is the watercolor portrait. You can see just click on it and the photo will open. Okay, so just wait some time. You can edit the picture and also download it. So you can use this AI. This AI is much more powerful, and obviously this AI has been created by Microsoft. Obviously this is much more powerful, and this AI automatically show in Windows 11 the right bottom of your computer screen or laptop screen. So you can click here. This is the pre version, but you can use the Copilot designer here in the Bing, Microsoft Bing. Just you have to open an account with Microsoft Bing, then you can use this AI. So thank you friends, and just enjoy to create this type of photo. Don't be amazed, AI is much more helpful nowadays. Thank you.